Hello everyone, myself Shubhajit Banerjee, Assistant Professor of Electrical Engineering Department in Mallabhum Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss Rankine cycle of steam power plant. Rankine cycle, the heat energy of the fuel is converted into mechanical work or power in steam turbine power plant. Means steam energy power plant works on the Rankine cycle. The main four components of the cycle are: first one is the boiler, second one is the turbine, third one is the condenser, and fourth one is the feed pump. That is the process 1 to 2. It is the constant pressure heat addition in the boiler. Means in Rankine cycle, first component is the boiler. So this is the boiler, and in the boiler which process is carried out, that is the heat addition. So we already know in the boiler we burn the fuel, and this burning fuel release some of the heat energy, and this heat energy added into the water. That's why its name is given is the heat addition, and this heat addition process is done at constant pressure. Means during this heat addition process in the boiler, pressure is remain constant. So in the boiler we supply water from the feed pump, and this water is absorb the QS quantity of the heat energy. Q means heat and S means supply, and this water is converted into the steam. It is called as the process 1 to 2. The water is heated at constant pressure P1 in the boiler until the saturation temperature is reached. Saturated water is converted into saturated steam at constant pressure. Pressure remain constant, means P1 and P2 is constant. Now the second process 2 to 3. It is the isentropic expansion in the turbine. Means second component is the turbine, and isentropic expansion means enthalpy remain constant during the expansion process. So when the expansion is done, what happens? The pressure is reduced. Means high pressure and high temperature, superheated, dry, saturated or wet steam generated in the boiler is supplied to the steam turbine. Means at the point number 2, high pressure and high temperature superheated steam is present, but in point number 3, low pressure and low temperature steam is coming out from the turbine, and this turbine produce some work done. Work done is denoted as WT, W for work and T for turbine. This steam expands isentropically into steam turbine up to the condenser pressure. Steam turbine develops mechanical work WT due to expansion of steam. Then after third process, it is process 3 to 4. It is the constant pressure heat rejection in the condenser. Means third component is the condenser. So condenser is the one type of heat exchanger device, and it is used to reject the heat to the atmosphere. Here we see heat addition in a boiler QS and heat rejection in the condenser QR occurs in the constant pressure. The exhaust steam from turbines enters into condenser, where is it condensed at constant pressure by circulating cooling water in the tube. The heat rejected by the exhaust steam is denoted by QR. Now the next process 4 to 1, that is the isentropic compression in the pump. Isentropic means enthalpy remain constant. Compression means pressure is increased and volume is reduced. The condensed water coming from condenser is pumped to the boiler at boiler pressure with the help of feed pump. Means function of the pump is to increase the pressure. Here we see water is coming out from the condenser to the pump, then pressure is increased with the help of pump and water is supplied to the boiler. To do so, for increased pressure we need to supply some work done. This work done is denoted by WP, so WP supplied to the feed pump.
Thank you.